Hi everyone, I have a Temu haul. Yes, I know, we're all surprised. I got another Temu haul. So I do have a coupon code with them. I am an affiliate. It is fav45575. You can put this in the search bar on the app or on the website, and it should be able to take you to my storefront. If you're a new user, it should provide you with some coupons as well. I will try to link as much of this haul down below as possible. I don't really know how it's all going to work since things have changed from it no longer being from overseas to their new local warehouses. So we're going to kind of learn together. But I decided to place an order because I wanted to see how it worked coming from a local warehouse. So this is my first time buying from a local warehouse. I did pay for this order with my own money. I have actually spent more out of pocket than what they've sponsored in my videos. So I just wanted to say that I did pay for this. So I ordered on the 8th. It shipped on the 10th and it arrived on the 11th. I don't know if this is normal, but that was just my experience this time with ordering. And I think I did notice, I think I'm going to do a whole video on how it goes to order from the local shops. But I did notice that if you buy one item from one shop, there's a $3 shipping fee. If you buy one item from another shop, that's another $3 shipping fee. So you don't want to buy two items from two different stores because that's $6 in just shipping. But if you order $30 or more from one store, you get free shipping. So that's what I did. I found a bead store that had a lot of stuff that I liked. So I figured, okay, I'm going to buy $30 worth of stuff and then stop so I can get my free shipping. Well, in the end, I added literally everything I liked in my cart from this one shop and it came out to $40. So I was okay with that. So that's what I got today. And actually, I got double the things because it was really good prices. So let's get started. For $2.30, these are 6mm beads. And I believe there was supposed to be 100 in here. So I got those. I got these bead caps. So there was 500 pieces. They are 6mm and they were $2.13. I want to say I got more than one of these because for $2, I thought that was really good. And it makes really, really pretty when you put the bead cap on the beads. So I got those. I also got these. They are like a mat, which I thought was really interesting. So when I got them, they were a mat and I just liked that. So I got those, and this was 6mm beads, 100 for $2.76. See, these I got because they were like on clearance in the store. So I just thought they were really pretty. I still want to do a bumblebee project, so I thought these would be perfect for that. So these were only 96 cents. And then other colored hearts, I want to say were like $1 too. So really affordable, really nice. And these are supposedly 9mm, and then you get 100 of these as well. These are 8mm. So these I'm pretty sure I got multiple of. So these are 8. And these were 82 cents. So I thought that was really affordable because I definitely need to start refilling my case here. You can see that my smaller shapes I have been using up. So these would go right here. These are my 8s and then these are my 6. And then I think these are either 10s or 12s over here. So yeah, I'm just going to restock my little case. So I'm pretty sure I got several of these. I also got these clay bits because I had shown in a previous video that I had bought a couple of clay pieces that I wanted, and I had got some clays from Hobby Lobby. I think I put them away inside already. So I wanted to just see how they compared, honestly. So this was 2 strings for $2.16. And just looking at it, I kind of feel like maybe the Hobby Lobby one was a little bit more. And I think it was $2 from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to have to see. I'm going to have to compare them. And these look cut really nice. Because sometimes they're like cut like slanted. but these seem to be pretty straight. So I'm gonna have to pull out my other beads so I can just compare and see what they look like. These I thought they were really pretty. These are more like a flat. These were $2.15. And then, I like that this company like actually wrote the size on here. That was like really helpful. And I wanted to show you. So see, they're like kind of like a donut shape, I guess you would say, where they're like a little flat. So they're not like perfectly round. I thought that was really nice. And those are in plastic. I think everything I got was the acrylic. Then this was a smaller size. So this was 6, and these were $2.14. So not really a big difference, just going one size up. And that's what I liked, was they had a lot of similar stuff, but in the different sizes. See, here's another 8 for 82 cents. This is my 6, and this was 99 cents. So again, I got it to refill my case here. I do use these a lot. I'm pretty sure I got a couple of those as well. I got 1 pack of the mix. I thought this was like very Maggie Home colors, so I was like, I totally need to get that. And these were a size 10, and these were $2.60. Then I think I got other ones smaller. Let's see, this was $2.60 as well. See, this one doesn't have the label, but I'm pretty sure that these are a 6. No, these must be an 8. Well, you can see here is the 2 different sizes. So these are larger, these are smaller. And I got more color. So these are in the smaller size, $2.60. I think there's 100 per bag. Here's some more of the 6mm rhinestones. Oh, this one does say, okay, perfect. Oh, see, this one was on clearance, so it's different price than these, even though they're the same size. You can see they're similar there, but these were $1.50, and these are size 8. So you see, just slightly different. So I thought this would be so perfect for doing like a Maggie Holmes project. Okay, these I've been eyeing for a very long time, and I never bought them, and I finally decided to cave in and buy them. These would have been so cute at Easter time and do like little bunny feet, but I'm like, they're adorable. Let me just go ahead and grab them. These were $3.01. I think you get 20 in here. See, I stocked up on the rhinestones. They were under $1, so I feel like that was like old Temu prices. So I'm like, let me grab a few of these right now. This is why my order was a little bit more expensive, was because I bought multiple of different items, you know. These are 4mm. Yep, 4mm. These are $2.03. And this says that it's 500 in here. So I think these will go well together. Like, that was my idea, was to kind of try to mix and match, because there's some light pink over here, light pink here. There's some yellow here, yellow here. This like mint I thought was going to be more like this color, but this mint's a little bit darker. So I just thought it'd be good to kind of just put together. Here's some more of those bead caps. These are so pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see. Like, hopefully I don't start losing all my beads opening them. But you see, they have like an iridescent shine. Hopefully it picks up on camera. I think with the blue, the dark blue, you can kind of see. But they're really pretty. They're very, very shiny. Really pretty. And these were $2.44 for 200. And these are 6mm. Let me get something to put these away in. You know what I need to do next is, I used to always buy these cases from Temu, and they were like under $2. And I didn't check to see how much they were. So I need to do that with now the new warehouse pricing. So I'm gonna have to look into that. And I opened up one more pack in here, so hopefully I don't spill my stuff. Oh, see, there were these pretty pearls. And these were 100 pieces, 8mm, and $2.22. And see, like I said, I was just buying stuff that were the exact same thing, but different sizes. Because when I'm working with stuff, it just all kind of like coordinates really nicely. And these I thought were interesting. They were these tiny little square beads that I thought were so cute. And I knew I didn't have anything like this in my stash. So I added these to my cart. Yeah, see, these are 4, and there's 500 in here, and these were 222. So, I think that's it. Yeah, and then it came in a black bag this time. Kind of looked like a trash bag, which I thought was kind of interesting because I've never had it come in one of these bags before. So I just thought that was funny. I'm like, that looks like a trash bag. Like, thank goodness I didn't like easily just throw it away. But yeah, here is my little haul. Hopefully you can find my other little baggie that I opened because I don't remember which one it is right now. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I am going to do a follow-up video kind of explaining and showing how to purchase now through your local warehouse. So I'll get a little bit more in detail with that. So, all right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.